If you're looking for an opportunity to get into the cryptocurrency game, if you're looking for an opportunity to get into Bitcoin, your chance may be right around the corner. If we analyze where Bitcoin has been recently, the last few weeks, even the last couple of months, we see that Bitcoin has been on an uptrend as of late. But more recently, within the last couple of weeks, Bitcoin has been struggling to hang on to the levels that it secured in the previous weeks. So it's been struggling to hang on to 11,000. It's been hovering right around 10,200 to 10,900. It's peaked above 11,000 a few times in the last several days, but it's struggling to hang on. A lot of analysts believe that Bitcoin is going to make a sudden move rather shortly. We don't know when that will be. But if you look at the chart, there seems to be a wedge that's formed, and Bitcoin is flirting with going below, but still there is the potential that Bitcoin will break above this wedge to the upside. If it can secure itself above 11,000, the mid 11,000s, we might see a rise to 12,000. Now, I'm not a technical analyst, but I do know one thing. I recognize a pattern when I see it, and I know that Bitcoin has been in this type of situation before many, many, many times. It tends to get close to the edge of this wedge, and then it makes a sudden decision to go down or to go up. We're going to see it break out of this wedge eventually in the next, looks like a couple of weeks. Now my question for you is, are you prepared if Bitcoin makes a sudden move down? My personal opinion is that Bitcoin is likely to make a sudden move downward. However, are you prepared for that situation? A lot of times when we see Bitcoin make a move downward, investors get spooked, they get scared, and they freeze. Their trigger finger freezes. They don't squeeze the trigger. They just watch, they wait, they continue to watch, they continue to wait, and they become disappointed and disillusioned when they see Bitcoin rise again to higher levels. I don't want you to be in this situation. I don't want you to be frozen in time because you are fearing Bitcoin going lower. This is why I promote the dollar cost averaging strategy on this channel. I believe it is one of the smartest and safest ways to invest in cryptocurrency. It takes away the guessing game. It takes away the speculation. All it does is allow you to continually invest in an asset that you believe in over a long period of time, regardless of where the market is at that particular moment, that particular day, that particular week, or that particular month. So if Bitcoin makes a break downward, that's great. You're going to be able to buy more Bitcoin if you are using the dollar cost averaging strategy. If it makes a break to the upside, well, you're going to buy less Bitcoin for your dollar, but eventually there will be another dip. So essentially it doesn't matter when you get in, but this might be a great chance to get in if Bitcoin does make a move toward the downside. This could be encouraging for new investors to jump into the market, encouraging as they see their initial investments grow quickly as Bitcoin is destined to have another rise. So it's a win-win situation. Do you have a plan for that? Do you have a plan to implement your dollar cost averaging strategy as Bitcoin takes a dip, knowing that you'll be investing the whole time as it rises and as it falls inevitably? I encourage you to make a plan to watch the market and be ready when Bitcoin does in fact take a nice dive. I hope this has been encouraging to you, and I hope it's motivated those who are on the fence Bitcoin is going to be up. Bitcoin is going to be down. But you need a plan to pull that trigger when you see the opportunity in front of you. I can't tell you what to do, but I can tell you that if I were wanting to get into the cryptocurrency investment world, if I see that red candle, that would be my time to pull the trigger. And as always, stay smart, stay in the black.